Okay, now over on our hardware with our compiled test and or file, we have our 4 input pins, and we can see if they're active or inactive with these LEDs. And then these 4 LEDs, we're using 3 of them as our output. So this represents pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, and pin 4, and LED 1, 2, and 3. So let's activate pin 1, and as expected, we have no output. This represents ANDing of pin 1 and 2, ANDing of pin 3 and 4, and the ANDing of, the OR of the ANDing of pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, and pin 4. So we would expect, by activating pin 2, our first and third LED should activate. And that is the case. Just to error check, let's turn this back off and turn on pin 3, and we would expect no LEDs to activate. It looks like our program is correct. So let's go ahead and check the AND of pin 3 and pin 4, and LED 2 and 3 are active. And lastly, let's turn everything on. And as you can see, everything is active. These two are ANDed together, these are ANDed together, and both the first 2 LEDs are ORed to turn on LED 3.